just don't touch me. Grabe ginagawa mo sa akin sa maraming tao. Why do you have to hurt me in front of many people? Hindi naman ikaw yung nakaway ko.
Go, Darla!
Ano ba sa Chris?
I just don't get it, MC. Why do you have to hurt me in order for these people to laugh at me? Hindi mo kailangan gawin mo. Oh my God!
Darla! Exactly, Darla!
Actually, nagpapakimo talaga.
Chris, are you okay? Sorry, hindi ko alam.
Nagulat lang ako sa'yo kasi I came here tonight to have a good time. Sabi ko, I need to brush this off. You know what happened, diba? So, hindi na siya tumagal. Okay lang. Sabi ko, move on. Then pag may time. And here you are, pushing me around, hurting me in front of many people. Why do you have to do that?
Chris, are you okay ka ba?
No, kanina okay ako until you started hurting me. Grabe itong ginagawa mo sa akin.
Chris, di ba? Chris? Ano nangyayari sa'yo?
Ang daming lamok.
Ano ba? Sino ba naaalala mo, Chris? Di ba okay na kayo ni James?
James and I are okay. We talked about it dun sa 7th birthday ni Ben. Sabi ko, James, I'm really sorry I caused you too much heartaches. Patawarin mo naman din sana ako. Kinausap ko din mga kapatid ko. Sabi ko, Noy, sorry naman po.
Chris?
Ano lang yun?
Maui?
Maui Taylor?
Gago, Maui Junisha.
Yo! I love you, mami! This year, bago lang yung girl!
In-interview ni Chris si Allen Junisha.
It's so nice to be here sa First TV. Ngayong gabi kasama po natin, of course, ang nag-iisang mommy na pambansang kamao. Mommy V, how are you?
Yo! Fuck you!